Welcome to this video about SMP surveys. In this video we'll be looking at how you can use cutting and pasting to speed up the building of your surveys from a survey that's been written in Word. To do that, we'll edit the browser survey that we've been working on in a number of these videos. So let's open the browser survey. I click on Edit Survey. Right, so what I now want to do is add two questions to this new survey, and the questions I want to add are the brand awareness question and the main brand question. So to do that, what I do is hit on this plus key here, and now I'm going to add a multi-select question, and I want to do that using the cut and paste method, which I'll show you now. Right, so now I need to add a multi-select question, so I click on the plus button. I want it to be multi-select. The name of this question, brands aware. So I bring up the Word document that's been approved for scripting. I go down to the question, which the following internet browsers have you heard of before, the awareness question. I want to bring that whole question in, so I highlight it and then I hit Control C for copy, minimize that. And I go to my question text, rich text editor. Now when I get to this, I can't just paste it into this box, the design box here. If I do that, I'll show you what happens. I'll go Control V. It brings just the text in, that's all you can see, but it's actually brought all the Word markup text in as well. If you go to the HTML box here, by clicking on the little HTML here, you'll see all the Word markup language that's been brought in. Now this upsets the program quite a bit. So it's important that we don't bring in all this Word markup language. It's quite an awful lot, as you can see. It's just the way they do things. So the first thing I'll do is I'll get rid of all that code now. You remember that we pasted that into the design box. What we really want to do is go to the HTML box and paste it into here. Now by doing that, that effectively strips out all the Word markup language. I can then go back to the design. I'll take out that line there, and now I have my question input. The next thing I want to add are the answers, and I do that by adding to the answer frame. So here are the four ways I can add answers. I can add answer text individually, one at a time. I can go to the image library and add them as images. I can add them as rich text, bring up the rich text box, or I can add them as one whole answer frame by cutting and pasting them into this box. And that's what I'll do. So I bring up my word questionnaire, I go to my answers, I highlight them all, I hit Control C, minimize that, go back to my answer frame, hit Control V, and you can see that all my answers have been pasted into the answer frame box. I hit OK, and there are all the answers to my question. Quickly and easily pasted it in. That's all we're going to be covering in this video. That shows you how easy it is to cut and paste from a Word document and build your surveys in SMP surveys. Bye for now.